Have you noticed that your Outlook archive folder is visible, but Online Archive is completely missing? These are actually two different features. The regular archive folder is part of your main mailbox, while Online Archive is a separate Exchange mailbox provided by your organization. In this video, I'll explain why Online Archive might be missing and show you the most common checks to help you find it. First, make sure you're looking for the correct feature. Outlook includes a normal archive folder inside your mailbox, and Classic Outlook can also use AutoArchive with local PST files. Online Archive, sometimes called In-Place Archive, is different. It's a separate mailbox that must be supported by your Microsoft 365 license and enabled by your organization. If you only see the regular archive folder, that doesn't necessarily mean Online Archive is available. Next, check what type of account you're using. Online Archive generally works with supported Microsoft 365 and Exchange mailboxes. It usually isn't available for POP accounts, IMAP accounts, local PST-only profiles, unsupported Microsoft 365 subscriptions, or mailboxes where the archive hasn't been enabled. If you're unsure, ask your IT administrator which type of mailbox you have. Now sign in to Outlook on the web using the same account. If Online Archive appears there, but not in Classic Outlook, the problem is more likely related to your Outlook version, Outlook profile, or mailbox mapping. If Online Archive is missing in both Outlook on the web and the desktop app, the issue is more likely related to licensing or Exchange configuration. If you're using Classic Outlook, make sure it's fully updated. Open File, then Office Account, choose Update Options, and select Update Now. After the update finishes, completely close Outlook, reopen it, and allow your mailbox folders to reload before checking again. If you're trying to access another person's online archive, remember that delegated mailboxes usually require full access permission. In some environments, permissions assigned through security groups may not automatically map the archive mailbox the same way as direct permission assignments. If you're unsure, ask your Microsoft 365 administrator to verify your access. If Online Archive is still missing, your Microsoft 365 or Exchange administrator should verify that your account has an archive supporting license, that Online Archive has been enabled, and that your mailbox configuration is correct. If you're using a hybrid Exchange environment, they should also confirm synchronization has completed successfully. To recap, remember that the normal archive folder and Online Archive are different features. Check your account type, test Outlook on the web, update Outlook, verify delegated access if necessary, and ask your administrator to confirm that Online Archive is enabled and supported for your mailbox. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechFix guides, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.